I got a oatmeal from Wendy's for breakfast. We are right now at Newark Airport waiting for our flight to yummy. I don't know how you eat that so early in the morning, but going to Orlando. We're like 2 hours early because I was like kind of really anxious to go out, and I was afraid there was gonna be traffic because the only flights going to Orlando for like this week, he told me, were only from Newark because I guess LaGuardia is doing like construction and stuff. But let's try this oatmeal. This is for me.
So try this first.
I'm trying to have a no meat day. Oh yeah, I'm trying to have a diet. Not a diet, but I'm trying to change up my diet a little bit to have 2 days where I don't eat any meat and just a vegetarian day.
Why?
I don't know. I don't want to. That's good. Okay.
I hate oatmeal.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about?
Open the door.
Welcome!
So we're doing a house tour.
Yeah, we're doing a house tour right now. So this is the house that we rented out, well, an Airbnb in Orlando, and it's so nice. But first, once you walk in, this is the laundry room. Very nice, very convenient. Then you walk into an open space with the dining room. And then this is the beautiful kitchen. This place is so nice. Like, for what we paid for, it was like $100 a night. So much better than a hotel. Yes, we can do all the cooking and whatever we need. And then this is the living room where we can chill, relax, do whatever. And their furniture is so nice. I love the interior design and yeah, how they did it. Let's go out here. Is there a little balcony? Very nice. They provided chairs and a very nice view of the pond. Once you come back in, to my right is the bathroom. I love the bathroom. This is my goals right here. Super spacious, so big. They provide everything. And then this is the bedroom. Very nice king bed! Yay! And then the closet. The closet is even better. A huge walk-in closet. They provided robes, hangers, everything. This is the best. Oh my god. Don't you like it here?
Yep.
It's really nice. Well, that was our house tour. That isn't our house, but I wish it was. So this is the neighborhood. All the houses are like the same. I think you call these townhouses or condos. I don't know, but we're just kind of exploring the place because it's so big, and we're gonna go get some food because there's like a little plaza 2 minutes away. It is so hot in Florida. It's like, I think 90 degrees today, but it feels so much hotter than New York. There's a volleyball court. They have a pool here, which I don't know where, but he wants to play this. It's so nice here. It's like its own little village. Alright, what do you do with this?
So I'm gonna be green.
You're green? Alright, fine.
So whoever ball is closest
To the white ball?
Yeah, and then like.
Why'd you throw it so far?
No, we take turns, so then like you get to hit each other's balls away.
Oh, okay.
So like that's the game.
Wow, that's pretty good. But you have to touch it or not?
You know, it's at the end of the game, it's whoever is like closest to whoever's closest to the white ball.
Hey, bowling. Oh no, it's gonna bounce.
See, so far you're winning right now, and then like me, I could just like knock your ping ball away.
Oh, are you gonna do that?
Yeah, I'll go close to it. Just like that.
Oh. So you basically just won though.
I mean,
You're so close.
You could knock my green ball away.
Oh. Alright. We're at Target right now getting some sunscreen and toothpaste. Because those are stuff that we forgot to pack. But it was also, we came to Target because we were trying to look for a restaurant that's near here, and it was getting really, really hot, so Target was the closest place with AC. It feels so great in here. So you guys know the thing, when you go to Target, you're not just getting one thing, you're getting like a bunch of stuff, and all of a sudden we're here in the snack aisle with so many unnecessary things. There he is. Fruit punch? Guys, it's clearly escalated very quickly. This always happens. Oh my god, when you're at Target. Alright. What I like about this is that you can just open the door like this. Ooh, very cool. We got so much stuff. So we got this big vanilla latte from Starbucks from Target, like the already pre-made. I've never had it, so I'm gonna try it right now. Oh my god, this is really good. It tastes literally like the drink if you get it from the store. I don't drink coffee that much because it gets me really jittery, so that's why I'm only drinking so little. And I wish I had ice, but we don't have any, so I'm making some right now. But this is really good. Try it. Here.
Wait, it tastes like what?
Tastes like the actual coffee. It's good, right?
Sorry.
Oh. I'm not much of a coffee drinker, I'm more of a tea drinker, but I like this. Frozen pasta. This is his cordon bleu. And we're watching 13 Reasons Why. It's a new show that we're obsessed with now.
When the fuck? Did we watch up to here?
I don't remember.
You were the one that watched it last.
Not here, I don't think so. And we also got corn dogs baking in the oven right now. Oh, he's just streaming.
So what happened out there?
Let me try this.
But is this where you stopped at?
I don't know.
The last thing what episode is this?
Tired.
8.
I don't remember.
Tired of what? Just tired. It seems like you were angry. At the school.
We're at the pool right now, super empty. It's so nice and pretty here. It's so cute out here too. What's wrong? No, you didn't. This kid doesn't know how to swim.
Nah, for the muscle.
Yeah, right. There's always something wrong with you. Are you serious? That did not hurt. Can you walk out sexy? Try to, yeah. You're supposed to keep walking out. You're supposed to keep walking out.
Should I go up and down or side?
I think up and down.
Up and down?
Side to side looks kind of weird.
Broke my neck.
Did you pull a muscle?
I did. I almost broke my neck.
Oh, can you just walk out now? Look at the camera.
Backward.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Is that funny?
Yeah. Hilarious. They have a gym in there too, that's lit. Goodbye, pool. You're great to us. But let's show you more of the neighborhood. Yeah, we live right here in this house.
Just walk straight.
But, oh yeah, but that's the back door. But we're on the other side of it. It's so cute here. Literally nothing here, but just blue skies, trees, and land. Dinner time! It's good though, right? We got a pina colada.
It's like mass sour. I think they just poured it out.
good.
I think they just poured it out. I never had pina coladas.
Yeah.
Mine's like the ice version. Theirs
I know,
more
I like
smoothie.
it. I think there's mango in here too because I taste a lot of mango. It's really good
I
though.
don't know. I really like it.
I like it. It's like a mango pineapple smoothie. He's such an actor.
So sour.
We got beef empanadas. Try it first.
It's way too hot.
Use a fork, silly.
Where?
In there.
Oh. I do taste a little Jamaican. Yo, you keep moving. Chill, get on, stand up. Stand up, stand up. Let me go again. Stand up. You see, you're going down every time. Stay up. So nice.
Oh my god.
Stand up, boy.
Oh, so yeah, lobster mac and cheese.
Oh, over there.
These plates are hot. Thank you. Anything else I can bring for right now?
No, that's all.
Good, thank you. That is a oxtail, a short rib,
Yes.
and lobster mac and cheese. Alright, let's see. You start.
We should start with the oxtail.
Yeah, it's only 2 pieces. Literally only 2 pieces. It looks really good though. Is it good?
10 out of 10. Keep going.
I'm gonna try this one. Try this now.
Okay, this first. 6 out of 10.
I'm gonna try the short rib.
Alright, try it. I don't really like the mac and cheese. Try it though.
I love being creamier.
Yeah, I thought it's like kind of like a veggie kind of taste.
Lobster though. I'll show the camera. Just kidding.
Mmm. Lobster's pretty fire.
The lobster's fried.
Pretty fire. Lobster's good. Wow. What does it taste like?
I like the ice cream.
What's the bottom thing?
It tastes like an egg tart kind of. I think. Or no, like a pineapple one.
What else is there? And what else? That's it?
Yeah, I think so. It's good. Very coconut pineapple.